Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your FordPass account for EV remote features. Full guide step by step. To authenticate your FordPass account for EV remote features, start by downloading the FordPass app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app on your mobile device. If you already have a FordPass account, tap on the Sign In option. Enter your email address and password associated with your FordPass account. If you do not have an account, select Join to create a new one. Follow the prompts to fill in your personal details, including your name and contact information. Next, you will be asked to create a secure password for your account. After filling in the necessary information, submit your registration. Once registered, check your email for a verification link from FordPass. Click on the verification link to activate your account. Return to the FordPass app and sign in using your newly created credentials. After signing in, you may need to ensure your vehicle is connected to your FordPass account. To do this, navigate to the My Vehicles section within the app. If your vehicle is not listed, select Add Vehicle and enter the required details. Follow the prompts to authenticate and link your vehicle to your FordPass account. Once your vehicle is added, you'll gain access to various remote features. Make sure to enable notifications to receive updates and alerts regarding your EV features. You can now remotely start your vehicle, check battery status, and access charging information. If you encounter issues during authentication, consult the help section in the app for troubleshooting tips. With your FordPass account successfully authenticated, enjoy the convenience of managing your EV features seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.